Hi, welcome to the video. Today we're going to talk about the link between ACT and Microsoft Word. They've done a total rebuild between the two applications, and because they've done that, there's a few bugs. So we're going to talk about some workarounds and some best practices and show you how to use it properly. Let's get to it. All right, step one. What we want to do is go to our File Explorer down on the bottom here. And this will make sense when we actually jump into ACT and go to work with templates. First of all, you're going to want to know where your database is. So your database may be located on your computer. It may be located on someone else's computer, or it may be on a server. So find out where that location is for the database, and you're going to want to link to the templates folder for that database. So we're going to go down here. Mine's just on the C drive, under ACT, under database. I've got two databases here. I'm going to go into my ACT demo. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this templates folder here, and we're going to put it into quick access. And this will make sense, and I'm going to put it right at the top there. So this will make sense when we get into ACT here and actually show you how to create templates and save templates, mainly saving templates. All right, so we've dragged that over, we put it under our quick access, and we'll close this down. Let's go back into ACT. And so now what we want to do, when you go to create a template, so let's say you're going to create a brand new one. Don't use the file new letter email template. It will want to save it as a regular doc file. Now you can work around there. You have to put asterisks around it. You have to do a bunch of different things. I'm going to save you a little bit of time. Let's just go into edit template. You're going to pick a template, one that maybe you've used in the past, one that's already set up. Let's just pick one. I'm just going to pick sales fulfillment. We'll take that one. And I'm just going to go Control C, or you can right mouse click and go copy. I'm just going to go Control C and then Control C and then Control V. That will create a copy of it. All right. And you can just go right mouse click Control and copy, and right mouse click paste. That's fine. I'm just going to now take this out. And I'm going to put a number 1 in here, and I'm going to put test. So it'll put it right up at the top here. All right, and so you'll see number 1 test. And now I'm just going to go and edit that template. So now what I would do is just format this as soon as it launches up here. I will just go and format this the way I want. I'll move my merge fields out of the way here. And then let's just say this is going to be an email template. And I'll take all of this stuff out, and I'll put down here body of email, and then I may put up at the top here hi, whatever the person's name is. And you probably already know how to use the merge fields and get this all tweaked up. This is just for saving. I'm not actually going through and showing you how to use the mail merge or the merge fields and get it all in here. I'm assuming at this point you know how to do that. So once you've got that done, you're going to press save. And it's going to go, okay, normally it would go right to the templates folder. Well, this is one of the bugs. It doesn't go directly to the template folder. So that's why we have at the top our template folder. So now we're in our template folder. So now we're going to go save, and it's going to ask us to overwrite the template that we already had there. So I go yes. All right, so template saved. What if you need to make another adjustment? So maybe you're not finished, and you go to period, and you're going to put some test 345, and then now you want to save that little tweak. Press save. Again, I need to go to the template folder, and I press save, and it wants me to overwrite it again. So if I open up the template and make adjustments, I have to follow that process. If I make incremental changes to this template, each time I press the save button, I got to go find the folder, and I got to go save, and I got to overwrite that document. So that's a little bit of a pain, But that's the best workaround until ACT gets these bugs fixed. Hopefully this has been beneficial to you. Hopefully they'll get this fixed in the near future. But until then, this is what we've found the quickest way to work with your documents and save them and be productive. Hopefully this has helped. Talk to you on the next one. Have a great day.